Here are 5 ways to get ready for your next open house. Yes, open houses sell the home. I know a lot of people don't believe in it because the neighbors walk around. There is a lot of people that are going to the open house. However, this is what I tell the sellers all the time. To get the top dollars, all you need is just one buyer. That buyer could potentially be your neighbor who has a family friend or has someone else who is looking to buy in the area. So make sure that you get ready to the open house following those steps. Number 1, remove any items that are not helping the sale of your home. That means an old couch that is scratched by your cat, make sure you get rid of it. I know you're attached to it, and yes, it has been with your grandma and your parents, but at the end of the day, when someone is walking into the home, they want to see themselves living in this home. So make sure you get rid of any couches, anything that you don't need or it's not going to help you. And wait, I'm not saying go throw it out to the garbage. I'm saying use a storage container, either an external or you're using one of those U-Haul trucks to take things off the premises, off your home, and making sure that your home is as clear as possible. Remove any items that are not included in the sale. In other words, if you're attached to that grandma's chandelier that is you completely love and it's like one of those that you cannot give away, my recommendation is make sure you replace that light fixture with another light fixture. In other words, if you have something that you're completely attached to it, make sure you let your agent know that you're attached so they can either exclude it from the sale or they will replace it with another item. Do yourself a favor, because I have seen it a lot of times where they were attached to this beautiful chandelier from the 1970s, and I agree, it's a beautiful one, but they were attached to it and they lost it because of the sale of the home and they did not exclude it. Once it's in the contract, and if it says that it's included with the sale of the home, that's it, it's sold. So do yourself a favor. Go to Home Depot, go to Lowe's, buy yourself another light fixture, replace it, and that's it. Problem solved. Another thing that people are very underestimating it is keeping your home clean. Do yourself a favor, and I ask you, please, make sure you have a professional cleaning company coming in, cleaning your home completely. Just because you think your home is clean doesn't really mean that it's actually clean. A cleaning company that specializes in move in, move out, open house cleaning services, they will come in and they will clean everything. It means top to bottom, toilets, showers, kitchen, everything. And this is the kind of thing that you will not think about because you live in the home and it might look like it's a clean. But in reality is you might have still dust which can turn off buyers. Here's another thing that I really want to make sure that you understand. Get white towels. Why? White towels look beautiful when it comes to photography. So by having beautiful, fresh, hotel quality towels, which don't cost that much money if you go to HomeSense or any of the other stores, but you replace your existing towels that you might love and they're pink and blue and red, but in photography, when it comes to the most important, that we have only 20 seconds to get attention from a potential buyer, you want to make sure that you replace the towels with white, fresh towels. I know it might seem like it's a crazy idea, but it always works. Every single time when you're looking at the home and you see a pink towel or red towel, the buyer comes and says, what is that? By having fresh white towels, all of a sudden things change completely. So if you have any questions, please do yourself a favor. Reach out, I'm always available. I will DM me, send me a comment below. I'm always available to answer your questions. Have an amazing day.